Hey, good morning, everyone. Futures Brizio here, 10:30 a.m. on Wednesday, May 29th. I was going to say Tuesday because I lost the day with Monday being the holiday here in the U.S. And quick video here, real time. Just going to make this pre-video and then we'll see how things work out. So just quick setup here. This is gold. This is August gold on the 15-minute chart. And I'm just going to zoom out for a second here. You can see we had this swing low right here. Price rallied up, made a new high, and we've come all the way back down. Okay, so this is the Heikin-Ashi smooth indicator, and this is the line chart. This yellow line is the line chart. I can turn on candlesticks. You can see these down candles here. It's the same thing, okay? But just to make it easier, just use the line chart. Okay, so we had the breakout. Price came all the way back down, poked through this area right here. You can see where I have this rectangle drawn out right here, okay, on the break of this structure area. So now the question is this a change of character and we're going to go lower, or is this just a liquidity sweep and we're going to go higher now? So just, well, here's the possibilities. Price rallies up, comes all the way down. Obviously, people, if there was anybody that was long anywhere in here, probably a good place they're looking to have their stop is below this swing right here, below this pivot low. So if they were long in here and they didn't close their trade, then, and they had their stop down here, a lot of them all just got stopped out when price broke this level. So there's a lot of sell stops sitting here. There's sell stops for the people that have their stop loss from their long positions down here. And then there's also people that are breakout traders that had sell stops to go short if price breaks this level. Okay, so it sell stops either way. It's just a matter whether they're new orders for like breakout shorts or whether they're stop loss orders for long positions. Okay, so now you can see, we broke and we closed down here. Basically just one candle, right? Price closed right here at this low. This is a 15-minute chart. So for about 15 minutes, we kind of hung out down here and then we snapped right back above the range. Okay. And now we're just trading. I have this little horizontal line right here. This kind of represents this little structural swing area here on the shorter time frame. Okay. And you can see price has come back up and you can see we're making a lot of kind of equal highs right here. So I'm not saying this is going to turn and go up. You can see I have two price alarms on my chart. I have one set above here. So if we now come back here and solidly break through here, then I probably would be looking for longs. And you can say, well, wouldn't that be a liquidity sweep to go short? Yep, very possible. I'll be looking on a shorter time frame if that happens, just to make sure it's a nice bullish move. Maybe I'll wait for two candles. Maybe on a 5-minute chart, I'll wait for two candles to close above here before I take the long. I'll just have to see. You have to use a little intuition. And then I've got this price alarm set down here because if this does turn out to be more of a change of character to now go short, then I'll expect price to roll over, come down, trigger this alarm down here, which is kind of like just below this little swing low right here. Okay, and that's it. Now, right now it's trying to go up, but we still, have not breached this level up here. Again, even if we put the candlesticks on, you can see, we just have a bunch of wicks just sitting just below this level. So, and it might not do anything. Maybe the rest of the day we'll just sit here and range trade. I don't know. So we'll have to see how it goes. But I just wanted to make this video kind of decision, whatever this does, and then if it does break one way or another, I can come back and make another video. Again, guys, you don't have to use these indicators. You can obviously do this with straight up candlestick charts. I've made videos on this already. This is the Heikin-Ashi smooth indicator. It basically takes the Heikin-Ashi candlesticks and turns it into a moving average. Okay. And I have it set, I think, for 7 periods. I don't think it'll tell me. Let me just open it. Yeah, I have it set at 7 periods. Okay, so this is basically a 7-period linear weighted moving average. in the form of Heikin-Ashi candles. And it just gives you a really nice visual about trend, in addition to looking at the line chart. Okay, and that's really all it's designed to do. It's you know, I don't use it just exclusively, and I go back and forth with it because it does make the chart a little busy for you. But that's why I use the line chart instead of candlesticks, because again, if I turn on the candlesticks, you can see no matter what color scheme you use here, it makes it really hard on your eyes. I think I just have a really hard time with this, which is fine. So you can use the line chart, and then, for just overall what's going on. Then if you need to, as I said in previous videos, to set, take profit levels or stop loss levels, or just fine tune an entry, then you can just turn on the candles briefly so you can see the wicks and the actual, high, low, open, and close pricing, and just fine tune it. But the line chart gives you, at least gives you the real price action. Obviously, it's only showing you the closing price, but it is the actual price, so it kind of gives you that underlying price action. But the Heikin-Ashi candles can give you a lot of insights into what it's doing. For instance, if price is moving in a strong uptrend, Heikin-Ashi candles will have no wicks at the bottom. You can see in this up move over here, no wicks, no wicks, no wicks. It's perfectly normal for them to have wicks on the top. But in a strong impulsive bullish move, you'll have no wicks at the bottom. And in a strong bearish move, you'll have no wicks at the top. You can see this is painting all blue candles here since it came off this low. But there's wicks on both sides. Okay. All right, so right now this is hardly bullish. This is just, I don't know what this is. This is just consolidation. And this may very well break lower. That's why I'm making this video. Now it looks like it's trying to turn lower, but, we're just stuck in this range. But, until we get some sure price action here, I'm not doing anything. So anyways, guys, just want to make this. We've got a couple of different scenarios that could play out. Actually, 3 scenarios. This could have been a liquidity grab, and we're going to go higher. This could be a change of character, and this is just a pullback, and now we'll turn lower. Or we could just sit here and just consolidate inside this range. So we'll see once this plays out, and if it does, then I'll come back and make another video. Okay, guys, thanks. Talk to you soon.